How to fix headphone jack on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually fix your headphone jack on your Android phone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So it depends upon what kind of issue you're having. If you're talking about your earphone is not being plugged into the headphone jack, maybe you have a type C headphone jack or maybe you have a normal aux cable. So what is the issue in the first place? If it's the issue with the aux, I'd recommend you, if you have some other earphones available, just try to plug those in and then see if you can actually hear and listen to sounds, because in most of the cases the issue is not with your headphone jack port, but the issue could be with your cable that you're actually connecting inside your phone. Now if it's the issue with the port, then what you have to do is you cannot fix this yourself. If there are some dust in it, of course you can remove that, but if it's a deeper issue, then I just recommend you take it to a nearby repair shop in order to see what the issue really lies in. But I can still offer you one alternative suggestion, that is to simply connect to a sound using Bluetooth. So instead of actually going ahead and then using all those fancy jacks and so on, I just recommend you turn on Bluetooth. If you have a wireless device, then you can just connect it and you can listen to those sounds in that way respectively. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually fix your headphone jack on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.